Jenkins, right? How to install the Jenkins and how to get the code from the GitHub and build the Maven jobs, right? Var jar. So how to build this? So something like build the code. So before that, first we need to get the code from the GitHub. How you can get the code from the GitHub? So first we need to install the Jenkins. In the Jenkins, we need to install the Git. So from the GitHub, so in the Jenkins, you install the Git and in the Jenkins plugin, you can install the G- uh, GitHub plugin. So once you updated the GitHub plugin in the URL in the repository URL in the Git plug, it automatically get the code from the build the job. It will get code from the Jenkins, right, in the Jenkins servers. So then how to build the Maven code? So integrate GitHub with Jenkins. Integrate GitHub with Jenkins. You create GitHub with Jenkins. Install the Git on the Jenkins instance. Yeah, we install the Git on the Jenkins instance. Install Git plugin on the Jenkins GUI. Yeah, we install the Jenkins on the GUI. Then configure Git on the Jenkins. You can configure the Git on the Jenkins. Okay. So integrate Maven with Jenkins. So how to integrate with Maven with Jenkins? Yeah. So we install the Maven on the Jenkins server. Then the plugin will be installed. So set up the Maven on Jenkins server, set up the environment variables. We set up the Java home, M2, M3 home, install Maven plugin and configure the. So install a Maven plugin on the GUI, then configure Maven and Java. Yeah, we did that one. So then we can create the project called as a Maven project by using the first Maven project. So in the description, what we need to provide, we need to provide the first Maven project. So then in the source code management, we can provide the URL of the source code. Then in the build stage, you need to provide the pom.xml and clean and install. So then build the project and so it will get the web app var and jar web app. So var and jar. So I will show you guys. I will show you that this was missed yesterday, right? So we'll show you today. So this was missed yesterday, right? Today I will show you. So go to the etc EC2 instance and EC2 instances. So Panendra, did you terminated the instances? Huh? I just know, saw right. Yeah, shit. Don't terminate here. Only just stop the instances. Again, we need to install everything. Yeah, you terminated, huh?
Yes, sir.
Why did you terminate, guys? Okay, EC2 instance. Launch EC2 instance. Uh, Jenkins hyphen server. Jenkins hyper server. Yeah, I'm creating again. Shit. EC2 Linux 2. So what is this, guys? T2 micro keys. Samsung and to provide the hello traffic HTTP. Traffic HTTP from the launch instance. Yeah, funny. Oh, you did a mistake. Yeah. So I install the Jenkins server, right? So Jenkins Fanendra terminate the instance. Just now I am launching again the instances. Yeah, shit. Okay, I will install the how to install the Jenkins on the plugins, guys. You already knows, right? How to install the Jenkins on the plugins. So there is a wiki I already uploaded, right? The wiki I already uploaded. So how you can get that link? You can get it in the AWS DevOps. So in the DevOps, I mentioned that Jenkins CI/CD. In the Jenkins CI/CD, so there is a Jenkins AMD. Yeah, guys, how to install that? You need to install Jenkins download. So how to install? So this is the commands, guys. So this is the way to install the Jenkins. So Jenkins, you can once you install the Jenkins, so then can enable the Jenkins and public. So I will show you guys. I will show you. Yeah, guys, running right. I want to connect this instance. Connect. No. So I want to connect this instance, right? So yeah, public IP. I can get the public IP. Then open the putty. Yeah, install the putty. So then paste it and the appearance change bold 18. Okay. Settings SSH auth credentials browse Samsung open. Yeah, guys. So this is my EC2 Amazon Linux 2. Okay. Yeah. So sudo su I'm logging as a root user, guys. So what is the steps to install the Jenkins, guys? Two steps to install the Jenkins server. Yeah, these are the steps, guys. So these are the steps need to install the Jenkins server. I will show you. Okay. So become a root, guys. Yes, I'm a become a root. Then Jenkins repo added to the repository. Jenkins repo added to the repository. Yes, it is added to the repository. Then import the key from the Jenkins. Import the key from the Jenkins. This is the Jenkins import and install Java. Install Java. Amazon-Linux extras install Java OpenJDK 11, guys. So it will install the Java. It will install the Java. So if you want to install the Jenkins server, so first we need to install the Java, then we need to install the Jenkins, guys. Then you need to install the Jenkins. Yeah, Java is installed, right, guys? So Java is installed. Then install Jenkins. Okay, install Jenkins. So I'm installing the Jenkins, guys. So installing the Jenkins. So once you install the Jenkins, what you can do, guys, you can enable the Jenkins. So you can enable the Jenkins service to start at boot with this command. So what is this command, guys? This is command to at boot time. So start Jenkins. It will take time, guys. This will take so 1 minute to so you can start the Jenkins service with the command systemctl start Jenkins. Then you can check the status of the Jenkins service using the command sysctl status Jenkins, guys. Sysctl status Jenkins. So once you install done, you can open the web browser and access the Jenkins on the port 8080. So on the port 8080. So once it is started the Jenkins, once it start the Jenkins, let's check the status. So how you can check the status? You can check the status of the Jenkins servers using the Jenkins command. Using the Jenkins command. Yeah, how you can plug how you can get the code. So first we need to install the Git. Right. Yeah. So Yeah. So I want to get the code from the repository. Yeah, definitely we need a server, right? We need a git installed on this mission. So we need a git installed on this mission, right? So first we need to install the git, then we can install the git plugin, install git on the Jenkins instance, install git plugin on the Jenkins GUI, configure on the Jenkins GUI. So configure on the Jenkins GUI. Yeah, I will show you guys. I will show you. First we need to get the Yeah, so public IP and port number. So how you can get, guys? You can get the public IP, http:// port number 8080. Okay, port number 8080. So before security group, the security group inbound, inbound we created everything, or we need to create the add rule custom all TCP, all traffic, custom 00, save the rule. Yeah, 8080, right? So that's the reason. So we are providing the all traffic. Next, so the password will be there in that here. So where is the password? Cat. So here the password is available. Copy the password. Then paste the password. Username is admin. The password is. So this is the password. Next, install the suggested plugin. Select the plugins too. So you can use the install suggested plugins. It will automatically install the plugins. Yeah, username is something like I need to create a Hari or tech tech world with Hari. So tech world with Hari. Password is so Jenkins. Giving the password. So password. Yeah, guys. Save and finish. Yeah, start using Jenkins. So we'll provide the start using Jenkins.